Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 5, Digital Modulation Schema. Express the Boolean function f equals to a plus b bar c in a sum of minterms. So let's solve it step by step. What is the first step? To identify the variables. The given function solution. So whatever given function which is f equals to a plus b bar c. So how many variables are there? Three variables are there: a, comma b, comma c. These three variables are which is given in this question. So total number of minterms, total possible minterms, which is equals to 2 to the power 3, which is equals to 8. This is nothing but the total possible minterms. Now we have to solve this question with the help of truth table. So truth table. So this is a, b, c, b bar, c, and our function f equals to a plus b bar c. So first we write 1 2 3 4 0 and 4 1, like that for 2 0 2 1 2 0 2 1 and 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. B bar is nothing but if 0 is there, then in place of 0 it become 1. 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. B bar into C. What is the value of B bar? Which is this, and C is this. So 0 into 1 0, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0. Now what is the function f equals to a plus b bar c? So this is the value of b bar c, and what is the value of a? A is nothing but 0. So now 0 plus b bar c, it becomes 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, again this is 1 1, and this is also 1. So this is the truth table. Now we have to identify where f equals to 1, where function equals to 1, we have to identify. So identify where f equals to 1. So from the table where f equals to 1, from the table where f equals to 1 for. If a equals to 0, b equals to 0, and c equals to 1, in this case the function become 1, like that. If a equals to 1, b equals to 0, and c equals to 0, then the function become 1, like that. If a equals to 1, b equals to 0, c equals to 1, then the function become 1. If a equals to 1, b equals to 1, and c equals to 0, then the function become 1. If a equals to 1, b equals to 1, and c equals to 1, then the function become 1. So write all the combinations. So this is first is 0 0 1. This is m0, m1, m2, m3, m4, m5, m6, m7. So this is our m1, like that. 1 0 0. This is our m4. 1 0 0. It means m0, m1, m2, m3, and m4. At m4 1 is there, like that. For 1 0 1, this is nothing but m5, and 1 1 0, this is our m6, and 1 1 1, this is nothing but our m7. So now write the minterms form. This is our combination where function become 1. Now write the minterms in form. So write in minterms form. So our function of a comma b comma c equals to summation of minterm, which is 1 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. This is the minterm form. And how can we write in canonical form? In Canonical SOP form, sum of product. So F equals to this is nothing but A bar, B bar and C. A, B bar, C bar, A, B bar, C. A, B, C bar, A, B, C. So A bar, B bar, C plus A, B bar, C bar plus A, B bar, C plus A, B, C bar plus A, B, C. This is our canonical form, sum of product form. So this is our final answer. Like that you have to solve in the examination to get the full marks. If you want these handwritten notes, I will provide you on my Telegram channel. Link is given in the description box. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe. Express VTU for all.